welcome back. Yeah, I'm going to remove this. I put a lot of things in here, yeah. I put a lot of things. I removed this and put, wood because I need wood, Floor wood is the best. So yeah, I'm going to put these guys over here and destroy these guys. Where's my shovel? Shovel. Oh yeah, you. There we go. There we go. They are destroyed. And put wood in here because yeah, wood is the best. Wood is the best. They destroyed these guys over here. I think my wood is gonna come up because yeah, I need a lot of food to do this, guys. Yeah. And this room here is gonna be my, tunnel to my what is it called? Tower. Because yeah, tower. Fortress, underground fortress. Okay, I'm going to keep 11 for now. Yeah. I'm going to keep them for now. Where am I going? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's freaking gone. I'm going to parkour. Oh man. No. Before it's freaking gone. There we go. Parkour. No! Parkour is the best. Minecraft parkour is the best. Yeah. Alright now. I'm freaking gone. I can't reach that thing. Ouch. Oh my gosh. I can't reach that thing. But I can reach it in here. Oh, there we go. And now what? Oh, a pig. I'm going to kill a pig. I'm going to kill your mother. There we go. Now you survive yourself, little piggy. Survive yourself, you little piggy. I hate pigs. I hate friggin' pigs. Okay, where's this guy over here? Man, this wood is tall. I'm going to get this wood. Yeah. I love wood. Woody, wood. Woody. And now I can't reach the tallest one. Oh my gosh. This friggin' sucks. Yeah. I'm going to return home. Craft some stuff. Okay. Alright. Stone pickaxe, you're the best. Okay, mine these guys over here. And make them to be a wood. Wood is the best. Wood is the best. Wood is the best. Oh my gosh, why didn't Mojang do this, man? Okay, all of it is wood, yeah. Now, the walls are just the problem. Okay, this my tunnel to some of the things, there we go. My stone pickaxe is kinda broke. Oh man. Okay, and get it there, and there. So yeah, put the torch here so mobs can spawn. It's friggin' nighttime right now. Please no creepers. Okay, it's good. Good. Skeleton burning in there. Wow. Okay, where's my redstone pickaxe. I'm going to call it iron pickaxe, but it's not. Okay, it's gone forever. Now my wooden pickaxe. Oh my gosh, I can't. There we go. This will be a long time to broke this freaking thing, wooden pickaxe. Oh my gosh. Oh man. There we go. I'm going to put this wooden pickaxe in here. Yeah. No, not torches. Where is it? This guy, this guy. Yeah, I have a lot of things. I have a lot of things. There we go. It's my trusty tunnel. Tunnel to freedom. Tunnel to freedom. Look, I'm going to craft 2. Where's my... Wait, where's my stick? Where's the sticks? There we go. 2 of them. And there we go. And here is my... No, I don't know. Cave! This is my mining area. I finally found the cave. Finally. Oh, yes. This freaking thing is my mining area. Okay, I'm going to explore. But no creepers. Man, it's good though. It's good. I'm going to, destroy this stuff. Iron, yeah, I love iron. Nothing else. Nothing. But coal is the best. Coal. Yes, I finally found the coal. Coal. Where is it? There we go. Coal. Oh my gosh, no, my coal. Freaking kidding me right now. I hate you. Okay, I think there's no... Oh, no. Oh my gosh, that freaking scared me. Oh my gosh, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Okay, that freaking thing sucked. Yeah. Freaking... It's freaking underground. Oh man. I should really, dig. Oh my gosh, I hate this freaking gravel. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. So yeah guys, I'm going to stop this for now. And yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. See you all later.